All right, to remember how we round, we sing a song. It goes like this. Find the place, look next door. 5 or more, you raise the score. So first we find our place. Since we're rounding to the thousands place, this is the ones, tens, hundreds, here's the thousands. So when we find our place, we're going to underline it. Look next door means we're going to draw a little arrow, and this points to the number that we're going to use to decide how we are going to round. Okay, so next step, 5 or more, we raise the score. So now we look at the number the arrow is pointing to. If it's a 5 or more, that means raise the score. That means whatever we underlined is going to go up. If it's a 4 or less, we let it rest. That means that we're not going to change the underlined number. Okay, so since this is a 9, that's a 5 or more. That means that the 1 is going to go up 1, which becomes a 2. So now instead of this being a 1, that 7's not going to change. Now I have 72. Okay, everything after the 1, after my underlined digit, we're going to look to the right, put zeros in sight. Okay, so that means everything on this side becomes a 0. Okay, just like that. So 71,986 becomes 72,000. Okay, so now here we're going to round to the thousands place again. So find the place, look next door. 5 or more, we raise the score. 4 or less, let it rest. Okay, so we found the place, we underlined it, did our little arrow to next door. Okay, 5 or more or 4 or less. Since it's a 3, that's 4 or less, you let it rest. That means that we're not going to change it. It's asleep, we're not going to bother it. So my 1 is going to stay exactly the same. Okay, so when I rewrite this number, remember everything on this side is going to stay the same. Everything over here is look to the right, put zeros in sight. So that means, looks like this. All of these numbers stay the same on this side of the line. Everything over here becomes a 0. Okay. If you're still feeling a little bit confused after this, then just let me know and I can give you guys a little bit of help tomorrow during math or during morning meeting, whatever you guys want to do.